Hello, and welcome to your new website walkthrough. This walkthrough is intended for people who have received their new, custom-built website and are ready to get started with the editing. This video's purpose is to get you up and running in the editor as quickly as possible. Once you've finished this helpful video, contact us and let us know that you've seen and understood its contents. After that, we'll enable the site editor for you, and then you can start the process of personalizing your site. As always, feel free to contact our support staff by using the Help button here at the top of the content library, then the Submit a Request button or the Support button at the bottom of the page here. First, let's have a look at some of the resources available to you. It is a good idea to bookmark the content library link on your browser, as it provides access to nearly all of the different components you will use for your website, including the widgets as seen here in these boxes. A note that your content library may have a different look as far as colors and arrangement, but the content contained within is the same. You can also view the widgets in this drop-down menu. Once your website is built and you have finished this video and received your login credentials, you will have access to the site editor by clicking the link labeled Site Editor, which is here. We will return to that in a moment. The Help button will bring you to our knowledge base of frequently asked questions and tutorials. These can be very useful if you are feeling stuck on a problem while editing your site. Here, you'll find all of the different resources we've assembled to help you with our widgets, website editor, impact marketing, social media manager, and more. You can search through the Help section using the search bar at the top of the page here. Let's say you wanted to know how to add an image to your website. As you can see, the search function has suggested exactly what we were looking for, plus more. Each article gives a step-by-step process of how to work with the different aspects of your website. Also, a lot of the Help articles include a short video, giving a live example of how the aspect works. Now, we're going to take a look at using the site editor. Once you have your site credentials, you'll be able to get to the site editor by clicking Site Editor. This will automatically take you to your site editor. The best part about the site editor is that it looks similar to the site itself, making it easier to see what your changes look like as you change them. The most important thing to remember when editing your site is that all changes are saved immediately. There is no undo button to revert your site to its previous state. If you have doubt as to whether you want something to be changed or not, try the edits out on a practice page first. This will allow you to see what it looks like in real time without affecting the way your site currently looks. For more information on this, you can check out our Help section regarding practice pages on the Help page. Note that this does not mean changes you make immediately go live on the site. You have to publish first, which we will look at later, but that does mean if you remove an element or any other content, you won't be able to get it back. As you can see, this is the editor screen. It looks the same as the site, but with extra information along the left and top of the screen. To navigate around the site editor, you can click a tab on the navigation bar on the top of the website. Along the left column is displayed the tools you'll use to edit your site. These tools are different for each tab. Here, on the very top of the page. These are the build tools, which you use for personalizing the content on your site. These are the pages, where you can create or delete a page or edit the name, settings, or order of pages on your site. These are options regarding theme. A theme provides the general look and feel used throughout a website. Here you can change the accent colors, fonts, and other options to personalize your theme. All of these and more are found on our Help page. Your site is comprised of different elements. As I hover over the different elements on the page, you can see a thin blue line surrounding the element. This blue line is denoting where each element is placed and how much space it takes up on the page. Adding elements is as simple as dragging the element onto the desired position of the page. The build elements will appear when the Build tab is selected at the top. You can find out all there is to know about adding, deleting, and moving elements in the Help section under the Basics. When you've made changes to the editor and would like to see them reflected on your site, all you have to do is click the Publish button at the top right of the screen. Publishing your site will make any changes you've made to the site editor live on your site. That covers the basic parts of using the site editor for your new site. Once we've created your site, you'll be able to get into the site editor by clicking Site Editor. Once you finish this video, contact us and tell us that you've watched this video and understand everything you've seen. Also, let us know if you have any questions about using your new site. If you have any questions, contact us via the help button here at the top. Then, the support button at the bottom here. Have a great day.